Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing a glueless wig from Luvme here. I have reviewed their wigs so many times and absolutely love them, so let's see what we have here today. In the box, I got this little drawstring bag that I could store my hair in when I'm not using it. I got this little pouch with some other stuff in there, including this elastic band. I also got an edge brush and let's see what else I got. I got a bonnet, of course. I absolutely love this bonnet. This is like the second or third one I got from them, and believe me, I love them. They fit so good on my head because of the elastic band in them. I also got this pair of stocking cap and of course the wig, which already have a side parting. As you can see, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked. The lace is still on it. That's all I'm gonna have to do to it, like cut it off and maybe style it to how I like it. Like I said, it's glueless. It comes with these clips in it that's gonna hold it onto your head, and it also has this adjustable band which is gonna also help to secure it to your liking. I love the color of the wig. I also really love the curl pattern, and I really love that it's a short wig, especially now that it's getting warmer. The short wig is so perfect for the summer. Like I said, it still has the lace on it, so I'm gonna have to cut that off before putting it on. But before I do all that, I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair prepared, or my scalp prepared for the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation onto the stocking cap that I'm already wearing, and I'm gonna use this brush to put it on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on and see what it looks like. So far, guys, it's looking so good. You could barely notice the lace closer to the edges of the hair. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off and then take another look at it. And now look at that, guys. I could just leave it just like it is right there because I really don't need to do anything more to it. But knowing me, I like to just add more style and all of that stuff, just fix it up my own way. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use some mousse on the front of it just to give it a more natural look to it. I'm gonna lay down the hair around the edges. Now I'm going to use an elastic band to tie it down and allow it to dry. I'm also going to put my bonnet over it and let it sit there and dry while I do my makeup. And I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Here is a close-up look at it, guys, just to show y'all the lace is not showing. It looks so perfect. And it's not glued down. Like you see, I'm lifting it there, moving it around just to show you guys that it's not glued down in any way or form. I have to say, I really love how dense the wig is. I really love the curl pattern also. I kind of wish I added some water and cream onto it so it wouldn't be so big. But I mean, it still looks good, but I feel like I would have liked it more if it wasn't so full. Even though nothing is wrong with it being full, it's just my preference. I also like that it doesn't shred, which is a very good thing because I hate it when my wigs shred. So I don't know, I am so in love with this glueless wig from Luvme here. Of course, I will leave all the information for the wig in the description box as usual, and also remember, guys, to use my discount code so you could get some money off your purchase. As usual, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!